China has created the latest generation electromagnetic rifle, a weapon that works without smoke, without loud explosions from burning gunpowder, and with the ability to deliver both lethal and non-lethal strikes. This is not just an upgrade of existing firearms, it is a completely new concept of small arms. The Defense Industrial Corporation of China has introduced a handheld electromagnetic weapon that produces no flash, no shell casings, and almost no sound. At the same time, the rate of fire reaches up to 2,000 rounds per minute. The weapon, officially called an electromagnetic emitter with controlled power, operates on a fundamentally different principle. Instead of using chemical energy, it relies on electromagnetic induction. Inside the weapon, a multi-stage coil system accelerates the projectile. Each coil activates in sequence, pulling the projectile forward at increasing speed. This process replaces the traditional explosion of gunpowder. The barrel length is approximately 30 centimeters. The ergonomic design is unconventional. The handle is shifted toward the center of the weapon. The magazine is positioned at the rear. This improves balance and makes the weapon easier to carry. The rifle includes advanced digital systems. An electronic display shows real-time data, battery level, number of remaining charges, and selected firing mode. With one touch, the weapon transitions from non-lethal to lethal mode. The system uses a 20-stage electromagnetic acceleration scheme. The battery feeds current into a series of coils. This creates a powerful acceleration effect, similar to a slingshot, but at extreme speeds. One shot costs approximately 30 cents. This is about 90% cheaper than traditional ammunition. In large-scale conflicts, this represents a major economic advantage. According to test reports, the weapon produces almost no recoil. There is no smoke, no flash, no sound from gunpowder. This makes detection extremely difficult. The shooter's position cannot be easily identified. China and the United States have taken different paths. The US focused on railguns, which offer high power but suffer from rapid wear. China focused on coil-based systems, which are more durable and easier to miniaturize. This electromagnetic rifle is a shift in military technology. It is a glimpse into the future of warfare. Like and subscribe for more deep military and future technology analysis.